it's Bree, your favorite K-pop loving QT, and welcome back to another video. Don't mind the mess in the background. I am trying to organize my room, clean up a little bit, and that over there is just all mess. Trying to get it clean, done, and fixed so that I can possibly get some art videos up for you guys on my other channel, Nino Comics, but that's besides the point. Do mind the new background change. It's not a permanent background change. It is just for today's video. I did get a ring light and a green screen stand, so that's why everything will be different. No more filming in my kitchen. I have good lighting. I would never ever be able to film in my room because of how horrible the lighting is. But there's also another light over there, which is why it kind of helps. Let me see if that helps a little bit. So, today's video is one that I didn't think I would be ever putting on the channel. I didn't think I would ever have to make this. But people have recently been asking me how I get my curls, my natural curls, to be the way they are, how I do them, how I style them, what I go through my routine, my curl routine. Yeah, people have been asking me about my curl routine and how I do it and how they can get theirs to be like that, and that I should make a video on it. So here we are today, which is why I'm still in my pajamas and looking gross. My hair is currently straight, which is why it's the perfect time to get it wet and curly. Don't know why I said it like that. Back to my natural state, curls. This is the intro. I'm going to shower and then I will tell y'all what to do, how to do it. I'm not gonna, do the whole shower routine because it's not really that special. I don't do anything special. I know some people deep condition and put certain things and do certain things in the shower. I can literally just tell you that right now.
Basically, all I'm saying here is that I flip my head under in the shower and I run my fingers through my hair and massage my scalp because it stimulates blood flow and helps hair growth. Now here, I think I'm explaining to you the conditioning part where I take a brush, a certain specific type of brush, and I brush it through my hair while the conditioner is in it. I usually do it for about 3 minutes. I usually put a song on and let the full song go while I let the conditioner just sit in my hair, and then I brush it out again. Then obviously you rinse out the conditioner and you put your head in the towel and you're done.
So that's all you really need to know for before or in the shower. I don't do anything special. I don't deep condition. The only thing special I do is I put my head under and rub it through my scalp to stimulate hair growth and brush it. Conditioner's in. But that's about it. So I'll get back to you guys when I am out of my shower. Y'all, I'm back. I took a shower. My hair dried though. And I have another guest with me. She appeared out of nowhere. So yeah, it dried. Usually when it does that, I take my squirt bottle, standard squirt bottle, and I just squirt all over my hair, even though I always miss. I always have it turned to where it's not like, it's a misty. It's not a shooter. I don't know. If you get what I mean, you get what I mean. Brush through it. I might need to wet it a little more because when it gets dry, it frizzes. Yep, ow. So you just take it. Ow. You take it. You brush through it. Get all the tangles out. Although there shouldn't be tangles when you get right out of the shower, but since it took too long, mine have tangles. And I know people are like, oh, you shouldn't brush your curly hair often, which I don't. But when you get out of the shower or you need to re-wet it and refresh on the curls, I don't brush it too often. So see now I have, it's more wet than it was before. Just re-wet it. You'll probably re-wet it a couple times while you're actually doing it because it will start to dry. So it needs to dry first. How I used to do my hair, I used to put in a leave-in conditioner first and then put some kind of curl cream or curl activator, but I ran out of leave-in conditioner. I had two and I ran out of both of them. I think one was whole grain coconut. It was a brown bottle, and the other one was that Moroccan, I don't know. It was a blue bottle. But since I ran out of both of them, I just stopped using them all together. I use two activators / curl creams, and they both seem to work well. So the first one I use is the Cantu Shea Butter Natural Hair Moisturizing Activating Cream. This one right here, it's a bottle. I think they have it in containers or jars. But I use the bottle. So, oh my god, I get a good amount on my hands. And I know another rule that a lot of people who don't have curly hair tend to preach is that you're only supposed to do a quarter size amount. That is false. Well, false for me, because if you have curly hair, you know that a quarter size is not going to do it. And maybe for some products, yeah, it will, but for my hair, it doesn't. And the products I have, it doesn't. I tend to use a lot. But it's just my preference. You don't have to do it. I take my towel, I wipe off whatever excess, the first product I have in my hand. Then I take the same brush, the wet brush, yeah, that I said earlier, and I take it and I brush my hair again. And it's just to bring the product throughout your hair, just in case you missed any spots, which I tend to do. So this brings all of it throughout your hair. And if you need to wet it again, wet it again. You shouldn't have to, because I was a dummy. I wanted to film a TikTok instead of finish my hair, and I'm dried. So then, next, you take Bella Curls Coconut Cream Curl Defining Cream. Brown jar, container, whatever you want to call it, just like this. It's Bella Curls, 16 ounces is really nice. For this one, I go heavy on it. That a lot. And I rub it through my hands. And I start on this side, and I kind of run it through underneath, the tops, the middle, and I start to go to the center of my hair, and then I take the hand that has more of it on it, and I rub it again, and then I do the same to this side, underneath, the middle, the top, work my way to the center, and then I take the other hand that now has more stuff on it, and kind of do underneath more. Then you wipe your hands again, surprise, surprise. After you do all this, wash your hands because the product will most definitely still be on your hands. Take your brush through again, just like last time. I looked like Tarzan before. Still look like Tarzan, but that's not your business. This comb that I got from Amazon, it's a real nice comb. Saw somebody use it. It's called the Tangle Teaser. It's real nice, okay? It also gets through your hair when you don't have the other brush. So I take it and I take the other side of it and I go from, this is probably wrong, but this is just how I do it. I take from the top of my eyebrow and go upward, and that's how I make my part. Now my part is never always a straight line. And then you start going through each side. You push this side to this side. Well, you can do your part however you want it to, but I'm showing you guys how I do my part. So after you do that, if you want, I did the step that I was going to tell you next with the comb, but if you want, just go through it again, because if you brush it, then the curls kind of stick together, and then you can pull them apart later once it dries. My hair's getting long. Ugh. I'm just kind of forming curls with the brush. I used to take a different brush I have and actually take the hair and like twist it like that, and it would make curls, and then I would pull them apart later, but I don't anymore. So for the very last step before you get your results, or before you air dry or dry it, is you take your hands, you kind of scrunch, and I have pieces of hair right here in the front that have kind of become wavy or straightish because I've straightened my bangs for like all my life since 5th grade. So that's why you gotta extra scrunch when it comes to that part. But then you kind of just have your curls, you scrunch it however you want. Scrunch the top so it's not all flat. And now you dry it. I air dry, but you can use your diffuser, which I should be using. You can use your diffuser, you can air dry, and then I'll get back to you guys once it dries. All right, we're back after air drying. We got another guest. They just keep coming. So it's been maybe an hour, I want to say. I let my hair air dry. So now what you're gonna do to get your curls to be popping, you're gonna shake your head. So I usually cover my face because my hair hits myself in the face, and I go. I usually do a pick as well, but I don't know where my pick is, so you kind of just like make it, give it some volume, you know, this and that, and I'm so sorry, and that's how you do it. Mine's still kind of wet a little bit, but yeah, hopefully this helped for those who asked for it, which wasn't many of you, but some of you did. You know, my hair's getting long, I hate that. Hopefully it helps. I got most of the products from Walmart. I got the Cantu and the Carol's Daughter from Walmart. You're a fraud. I get all the products at Walmart. The Cantu and the Carol's Daughters both were from Walmart. The brush was from Amazon. The comb was from Amazon. I don't know where the brush is from. You can get a standard spray ball at Walmart. But yeah, I hope this helped for those who asked for it. And let me know how your curls end up. Let me know if they're popping like mine. Give this video a like in the bottom left corner. And subscribe, share with your friends, comment what else you want me to do. And I'll take your suggestions. But anyways, that is all for now. Stay tuned for more. And I'll see you guys in the next video.
Okay, so this is a disclaimer after the video type of ordeal, or maybe I'll put it in before I do the outro, I don't know. But I let my hair fully dry. You see, now it's real dry. And I kind of just like fluffed it out, and sometimes I use my pick, but I don't know where my pick went. So if that helps, this is what your curls would look like, and it all depends on, you know, the curl pattern you have. I thought I had a C, but I might be wrong. It all depends. This is how mine turn out. So what I showed you before after the air dry wasn't completely air dry. It wasn't completely dry. So yeah, just wanted to insert that in. It's midnight, and yeah.
Don't mind the mess in the background, but do mind what? Comment what else you want me to see. I mean, what? Comment what else you want. Words. Oh, I got my nails blue in the dark anyways. I swear to God, it's not a permanent. What? Permanent? It's in a brown bottle, just like a brown bottle. So, ay Dios. My